Welcome to the TripNavigo channel. Today we're taking you to a remarkable place in southern Italy. Discover Gravina in Puglia. This small yet charming town is located in the Apulia region, right on the border with Basilicata. Home to around 20,000 residents, it captivates visitors not only with its scenic location on the rocky Merge Plateau, but also with a fascinating history dating back to ancient times. Stay with us and find out what's worth seeing in Gravina in Puglia. Gravina in Puglia delights not only with its setting, but also with its exceptionally picturesque and historic old town. Walking through its narrow, stone-paved alleys feels like stepping back in time. Every corner tells the story of former residents, monks, and craftsmen. At the heart of this historic part of town lies a true gem, the Co-Cathedral di Santa Maria Assunta, or Co-Cathedral of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. Dating back to the 13th century, the church was built from light-colored stone on a high rocky terrace overlooking the ravine. Its Romanesque Gothic facade, soaring bell tower, and richly decorated interior make a lasting impression. One of the most spectacular sights in Gravina in Puglia is the Ponte Acquedotto sul torrente Gravina, a monumental bridge aqueduct spanning the deep ravine. This very bridge appeared in a scene from a James Bond movie, and it's easy to see why. Its majestic silhouette, suspended over the chasm, takes your breath away. Built in the 17th century, the bridge served not only as a passage between parts of the town, but also as part of the water supply system. It connects the historic center of Gravina with the areas across the ravine, where you'll find ancient caves, homes carved into tough rock, and remnants of old settlements. This is where you'll discover Gravina's underground world. Dozens of rock-hewn chambers, cellars, water cisterns, and chapels forming a true city beneath the city. It's worth visiting these caves with a guide to better understand what everyday life looked like in centuries past. Subscribe to TripNavigo if you want to uncover more extraordinary places like Gravina.